Hey, it's Lisa from JoyfullyArt. Here for my next video. First off, I want to show you my painting. My last video turned out gorgeous. I love the colors. Dried beautifully. So if you're interested in it, just let me know. Going away. And we're on with the next. Today I'm going to be working on this 14 by 14 canvas, and I'm going to do the circle Dutch pour. I did a bigger one, and I thought maybe I'll do a smaller one that somebody might not have a big enough space for the bigger one. They might want a smaller one done, so we'll do a smaller one. And start by putting down my white paint, white base coat here. Okay, let's give this a torch. I can find it. There it is. Oops. Well, I'm already filling the paint. My husband's home for another month from working at home, so we'll put up with that, I guess. Let's see, there's a spot that didn't get covered very well. There we go. Wipe my hands off a little bit. I'm going with some different colors today. This is Master's Touch Aqua Green. Artist Loft. Wait a minute. I think I got two. No, this is Ocean Green. I'm sorry. Master's Touch Ocean Green. This is Artist Loft Aqua Green. Deco Art Phthalo Green. And for a different color, I've got Artist Loft Copper. So let's hope that this all turns out. See if I can make a halfway decent circle here. I don't want too big of one. Ah, pretty good. I think I'm going to put a little bit more of this phthalo green. I didn't get very much of it. I think we'll just put a little bit more of it in the inside. There we go. Okay, now fingers crossed, I am going to use my little blower. I think that's what I used on the big one that I had, so we'll try. Maybe I used my hair dryer. Let's try the hair dryer. And we'll use the little blower for touch-ups. stay round, did it? Okay. Might have to put some more paint. Let's see. Gotta make this round again. There we go. See what's happening here. Oh, goodness. Oh, what's that? It's pretty round, I think. Not the best, but some back in the towards the middle. Try and round it out a little bit. One good thing about acrylic paint and paint pouring, if you don't like it, you can always just blow it in the other direction to get it where you want it. And that one's a little bit too much, so see, I just blew it back the other way, and it did fine. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long, so we're going to give it one last torch. Tell you all my spiel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. I would sure appreciate it. Leave me a comment if you so desire. All my artwork is for sale. You can get a hold of me through the links in the description box down below. Give you a close-up. I'll probably work on this a little bit more after I turn the camera off. It's not quite as circular as I want it. So, thanks for watching today, and everybody be safe. And as always, please have a great day.